guys, welcome back to today's video. So today is just going to be a super chill grocery haul. We are doing a Walmart healthy grocery haul. I am literally filming this on my phone camera because my vlog camera battery needs to be charged and it is later at night, so I'm only using my ring light right now. So hopefully it's okay with you guys. I just got back from shopping and it is later at night, so I just wanted to kind of film everything before I put it away because I was excited to share with you guys what I got. I got a lot of good stuff, restocked on some favorites. So if you guys want to find out what I picked up at Walmart for this healthy grocery haul, then just keep watching. Walmart is one of my absolute favorite stores, and recently I've been going a lot to this specific Walmart grocery store. So it's literally just groceries, a giant Walmart filled with groceries, and there's also like a little beauty section. Really nice because you don't get distracted by everything else because Walmart is huge, especially like super Walmart. So if I just need to go and just like focus on my grocery list and not like worry about like clothes or anything like that, it's always good. So that's why I like going there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap that little notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and let's go into the grocery haul. So everything is in Target bags because those are my reusable totes. So let's see what is in here. The first thing I picked up are these organic strawberries, and these were actually under $3. I think they were $2.75. I have never seen organic strawberries for that price before, so it's kind of amazing. I like the organic strawberries because they always seem a little bit sweeter. So these are really nice to have on hand. I love frozen strawberries to have as a dessert, and I'll show you guys something else that goes along with this for a really yummy dessert. So yeah, love picking up strawberries. Also picked up some organic bananas. This is a little 6-pack and I don't like exclusively eat organic. When it is available, I try to pick it up, and Walmart does actually have a lot of organic options, so I thought this was pretty cool. And we love bananas. We go through them pretty quickly. I have bananas every day, so really like to have these on hand, and I prefer my bananas are more ripe, so I'll kind of let them sit there for a few days while they get ripe. You can do so much with bananas, just having them as like a snack, or I like baking with them too, putting them in smoothies. You can literally make like brownies with bananas. It's crazy. So I have this giant, I think it's 2 pounds. Yeah, 2-pound bag of chia seeds. I love chia seeds. I also have these every day. If you guys missed my waffle recipe, I will link that down below. I had chia seeds in there and I just ran out. Usually I get the bag from Trader Joe's, but that one is smaller. So this one I paid a little more for, but I'm getting more in here. The seeds can kind of get stuck in your teeth or whatever. I like to actually ground up my chia seeds and then put it in a mason jar, and I just find it so much easier. I just find it so much easier that way to consume them. Or if you want, you can leave them this way and you can make chia seed pudding. And there's a lot of yummy things you can do with these. These are really good. They're really good for fiber, like making your bathroom trips more regular. I know TMI to have in your everyday food recipes and your diet. Say diet, I don't mean like diet, I mean like diet, just like everyday food eating. Okay, next up I picked up this bread. I actually saw this on TikTok. One of the girls I follow mentioned this. It's the 647 bread by Schmidt Old Time, and this is 40 calories per slice. I thought that was so neat because if you look at the other breads in the aisle, like the regular breads, they are like 120 calories. So this one has 7 grams of fiber and 6 grams of net carbs. So I figured this would be good for like a French toast or sandwiches, grilled cheese. They had a couple different types. They had whole wheat, they had an Italian bread. So I just wanted to try out the regular white bread and see how it was. And yeah, I thought this was a really cool find. Best price for this is definitely at Walmart. That's why I love shopping there, because their prices are so good. I've also seen this brand has English muffins as well, and I love English muffins, so I'm trying to hunt those down. I think they have them at Stop and Shop. What I wanted to tell you guys about that went with the strawberries. This is the So Delicious Dairy-Free Cocoa Whip. So instead of Cool Whip, this is the coconut dairy-free version. This is really good. Highly recommend checking this out. And this goes perfectly with the strawberries as like a little snack. You can also put this in your coffee in the morning, like as a whipped topping. And let's see, there's 30 calories per 2 tablespoons, and there's 2 grams of added sugar in here. There is, I think they put cane sugar in here. So this is so yummy. It's also made with organic coconut oil. So I really like this too to put on top of the Fiber One brownies. Those are delicious. And with this, it just makes it like a fun little treat. You can also put this on top of ice cream. Honestly, like the options are endless, but this is so yummy if you're looking for like a dairy-free alternative to Cool Whip, and it's just so like light and fluffy. I have a lot of sour cream, so I picked up the Daisy Light brand. It is 1/3 fewer calories than regular sour cream, 50% less fat, so I figured we would try this one out. This is a smaller size than we usually get. This is 1 pound. But yeah, I wanted to see how this one was compared to the regular sour cream that we usually get. I saw these and I wanted to try them out. I think I've got these once before, but these are actually really good. It's like kind of tangled in the bag. But I picked up 2 plantains to try in the air fryer. So they look like a banana, but you actually can make them like sweet and have them as like a little side chip. Or you can have them as like a dessert if you want to, or you can have them with dinner if you want to. But it's just like really cool. And I feel like no one ever talks about plantains. They're like so underrated. They are such a yummy little snack. And it's just funny because I think they're bananas. So I guess they kind of get forgotten about in that sense because everyone's like, oh, it's not a banana. So yeah, definitely try out plantains. Ground turkey is always a staple in our house. We use this for so many different things. You can make burgers, turkey burgers. You can use this for burritos, you can use it for quesadillas, fajitas, Mexican bakes, anything. So this one, it was super cheap too. It was like $2.50. So this is Shady Brook Farms, 85% lean, 15% fat. So we always usually have this in our fridge or our freezer. I picked up a restock on our protein powder. I just started buying this one. This is our 2nd canister and I really like this. It's a Garden of Life organic protein. So it has 20 grams of protein per 1 scoop, 0 grams of sugar, and it's 110 calories per scoop. And this is the vanilla one. They also have a chocolate one, and it has sprouted seeds and grains. So I really like this. I like having the plant-based protein. So if you're looking for a good plant-based, we've tried a lot of different ones. The one from Tone It Up at Target, we've tried that one before. That one's really good too. Just this one, I really like it, and it was, I think it was $21 at Walmart. So the protein is always a little more pricier, but you do get a decent amount in here, 1 pound. So yeah, really like this for putting in like smoothies, and you can put them in your waffles or your pancakes too, so you can get your protein serving. Also really love Greek yogurt, and I did not know, but Walmart has their own Great Value brand of Greek yogurt. So this is just the plain one, non-fat yogurt, 17 grams of protein per serving. This because you can add your own toppings in. You can add vanilla, chocolate chips, peanut butter, whatever you want. It's actually really yummy. You can also use this as a sub for sour cream. I thought that was really cool too. This is so much cheaper than the Faye, which is the one I previously got, or the Chobani. Those are usually like $5. It was about $3 at Walmart. So I thought this was a steal for that price point. All right guys, last bag of groceries. I love Walmart frozen vegetables. This is the bag of broccoli florets. This is like one of my favorite things to make. You add some little Parmesan, lemon, cheese, so good. And I just stick it in the air fryer. I found that's the best way to make it so it's like crispy. If you put it on the stove, it's just a little bit too mushy. So definitely recommend any like frozen vegetables, putting them in the air fryer. And for me, just because they last longer, that's why I like them. Like I don't feel wasteful getting the fresh bag and then I like don't use it. So when I have the frozen one, I feel like it's just so much better. Picked up some of the Walmart brand Great Value thin slice oven roasted turkey breast. Usually Nick eats this for like lunch and wraps and stuff. So this one's good. No artificial flavors or colors or nitrates or anything like that. So if I can't get to the regular store to get the like deli ones, I pick these up and they do the job, you know. And if you want to just throw them into a wrap with some like honey mustard, they're really good for that too. 3 avocados. These aren't ready yet, but we always love having avocados like in the house. I just love them so much, like for avocado toast or having them in like a Mexican bowl. Avocados are just like seriously one of God's best creations. They are so yummy. The only thing I don't like is sometimes when an avocado tastes like too grassy. I don't know if anyone else has experienced that, but that's like my one thing, like when it's not that perfect taste that I know an avocado to be. I'm like, oh, I get so frustrated. Bought chicken breast tenderloins in so long. Usually I just pick up the chicken meat, kind of like the ground turkey. But I actually did pick up these guys right here. These were $4.17. And I was like, you know what? I haven't had them in a while. Let me just get them and I'll try and figure out something to do with them. So yeah, this is by Purdue Harvestland. No antibiotics, fed all vegetarian diet. So let's see what I can make with these. Probably some sort of like chicken bake or something like that. Some cheese. We ran out of Mexican cheese. I really like this one, Sargento Off the Block. This one is so good because it's like thick. I don't know if you guys can see, but the shreds are really thick. It's not like your usual finely shredded Mexican. So I just think it's so good because the shreds are so big. It's like feels creamier. I don't know, just something about it tastes better. Can't describe it, but try it out. Let me know what you guys think. And there's a bunch of different cheeses in here, like New York Sharp, Sharp cheddar cheese, California mild, Gala apples. I love these. These are really good. This is my favorite apple. It's pretty much the only apple that I eat because it has a little bit of sweetness to it, but I usually like having an apple every day as like a little snack or like with some peanut butter. I ran out of my vanilla, so I wanted to try a new one. I got the Watkins Organic Gourmet Baking Vanilla. It had really good reviews. Watkins is like a very trusted baking brand, so I was like, you know what, let me try this one out. I love vanilla extract. One of our like absolute favorite must-haves are these Stir liquid water enhancers. I love these. This is the strawberry watermelon. If you are having a hard time drinking water throughout the day and you need a little bit of flavor, add this. This one is our favorite and I love that it has stevia in it. This is amazing. I like to add this to seltzer. You could also put it in plain water, but when you put it in seltzer, like specifically the Polar Vanilla, oh my gosh, you guys, it is so delicious. So check these out. I believe it's about $3 at Walmart. It's also good if you are trying to wean yourself off of like soda or fruit juices and you're trying to just have more water. Try this. The last item I got is a new find. It is this flax milk by the brand Good Karma. I really like trying out different milks, like non-dairy milk. So I saw this one, I was like, you know what, I want to try this. I just tried oat milk for the first time and I really liked it. So this one has 8 grams of plant protein, omega-3s, and it has no dairy, lactose, nuts, soy, or gluten. So I'm gonna see how I like this. And I think this was also about like $3, maybe $3.50. So I'll let you guys know what I think of this. So we'll see. I'm going to use it in my coffee and my oats and smoothies. So I'm excited to try out flax milk for the first time. So that is it for my healthy Walmart grocery haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. Comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I have so much fun doing these videos. I love like grocery shopping. I love doing food hauls, and I just like really like food shopping and putting together fun meals and stuff like that. So if you guys like this content, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!